Today I'm going to show you how to change the background of a slide that you're working on or an image in Canva. We're just going to click in this box behind here and click on this background color, and we can make it any color we want. Click here, we have the gradient, or we can also do these default gradients down here as well, which is really cool, and change the background color that way. We can also add text boxes and say hello, and then say we want to change the background color. We just click in the box here. We can change it to anything that we want. We can also add an image to the background. That's weird. I don't want to add that guy. Say we want this bird. We can make it the whole image. You can see here, and then we can move the hello over here. And then we can also position this and make sure that it's sent to back. We can see the layers here. So we can see, like, say that it was like this, and we want to make sure the bird is in the back. We can hit position. We can drag him up and down, or under arrange, we can go to back. And that's how you change the background of a Canva page. Now, if you want to see how to organize everything and keep your designs very clean and neat and make sure everything is aligned, check out this video where you can do it so fast and save you so much frustration. It is the Tidy Up tool. Check it out here.